women in my lifetime. I had game for days playing with their mind. Threw a bone and they fell for it every time. Moving fast with patience, I take it real slow. Lay your head on my pillow, gon' get comfortable. Game wrong, my niggas say you a fool though. Want me to pledge cute dog named Cujo. Banana game getting old, seem kinda foolish. Sitting back thinking, damn, did I really do this? On the hunt for something real, so tell me how you feel. She say she can't trust me cause of the life I live. Doggy dog, I'm just trying to make a move, shawty. I don't wanna be a player when I turn 40. I'm done calling around asking where the hoes at. Don't wanna be a dog, I need you to give me that puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Give me that puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Yeah, come on, I know it's hard, but you gotta work it. I'm doing the best I can. I can't blame her for being cautious, but the constant nagging can make a nigga nauseous. It's getting worse cause I'm headed to the tip top. And lately you've been watching too much Love and Hip Hop. What they gotta do with me? I'm trying to live my own life. Know what I see on TV, seeing your hoes on the creep. I done did that already, but I sat back and saw all this shit and it led me to. You can't see the bigger picture, what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to paint a Picasso, baby, just me and you. I understand you got a dog for a man, but realize who the one with the leash in their hand. That puppy love, that puppy love. Puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Give me that puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Puppy love, that puppy love, that puppy love. Now I can tell when you lose focus. Got your lip poked out and your arms folded. I must admit it's kinda cute, so I give in easy. I touch, then you blush and slowly start cheesing. By the time you start believing, I got no interest in leaving. But you wanna see the females I'm constantly meeting. I don't wanna leave, I really see no reason. Please believe I'm straight where I'm at, kinda pleasing. Nah, I don't wanna sound soft, still staying tall, chin up, chest out. You can tell I was a dog. Run solo, but the pack got my back. Lock jaws, make you pause, take a step back. Come on, don't be scared, cause I want you to get closer. Play with my ears, rub my belly, make me roll over. Pause clean, I ain't been in the streets. Yeah, I've been a good boy, I think I deserve a treat.